Alright guys, back at it again. This is part 2. I lost you at the bathrooms. We had a more involved situation. Anyway, too much information. Let's get you back in the holster and get you guys back. Maybe show you something else over here at Breckenridge. Who knows? Alright, stand by. Let me get you in the holster. Alright, we're back on. Alright. Let's get it back in here. Alright, so I'll take you to this pavilion. Once again, there's actual facilities, but always be prepared. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Cell phone or go camera?
Cell phone.
Cell phone?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
That's not a bad looking pavilion. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think it's good looking. Okay. Look at that. Real working chimney too. Crazy. Guess you go over there and cook stuff, or be out here when it's cool. Oh, that's a beautiful view. What the heck is that? All right. Try something new. Since I had a hater I ran into at the pavilion. It's a GoPro cell phone. Don't matter, but hey. For a small streamlined production, what we lack in equipment and funds, we make up with diversity and location. I didn't know you could sit down here. That's pretty freaking sweet. Alright. Take you guys back out the holster and see if I can do something pretty cool. All right, get you guys back in the holster. We gotta get going back in there. What the heck is going on over there? Somebody got a freaking wireless speaker and doing their own party in the woods or something. I wouldn't doubt it. San Antonio. Forgot to see that. You guys unsmudged or whatever. There you go. Hopefully that's a lot better. train bridge.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome, brother. Like I said earlier, looking to upgrade our production equipment so we can get better video or more immersive videos to you guys. How you doing? Alright, check this one out. This is how you test your running shoes. If they ain't got no grip, I would have went into the drink. Alright. How you doing, guys? Hey, puppy. How you doing? Taking everybody out for a walk. How you doing? Got this other pavilion over here. Right. And then to my 6. At the next runoff, right over the little footpath bridge made of stone. You cross over there. I'm not gonna lie, that looks like fun. That's what the kids are doing. But I don't want wet shoes. Oh wow, that's really clear. Wow. Okay. And of course, alongside Kitty Park at the zoo. Plus with new equipment, I might be able to take you guys out on actual runs so we can do a twofer. You know, get some real jumbly video, and then I'll stop and you'll be able to talk and hear me, and some more jumbly video. And I don't know. I don't think you guys like the jumbly video. So, oh, there goes that stray puppy. Maybe next time I'll bring him something to eat. No, you're good, buddy. You're good, buddy. I'm gonna leave. Somebody abandoned the poor guy. Maybe if I get him some food next time. Not a favorite restaurant, but whatever. Or even cafe place. But check that out. Check that out. It's a real working one too. Runs out propane. So, real working. Oh, they took all the internals out. It's just a shell. But yeah. You guys want to come check it out? That's all the information right there. I'll leave the camera here for just a couple seconds more. All right. This is what the train looked like. I'd suggest getting here early so that it's not so hot. That's the train station, little park. Alright guys, hold on, let me get you out the holster and we'll end this up. Alright guys, thank you for joining me on my little warm-up trot for my actual trot. But yeah, this is San Antonio and some of the fun places downtown or near downtown. I'm trying to bring you guys more spaces that are nice to be outside in. So, yeah, pt2. Alright, hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure you love yourselves and get some outdoor therapy. Alright, until next time.